So we got here some pickup from Finish Line and Pivot Sports. What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for watching and thank you for dropping by. Nolasco here, and this channel we talk about lifestyle and sneaker related stuff, and today is another sneaker invest. Today what we got and what we source and what we invest, or our sneaker investment. Starting off what we got on Finish Line. Boom. So this one is the Women's Air Jordan 1 Mid SE. I think I already made a blog for the smaller sizes. I got the size 7 a couple days ago, and I also pick up size 12. Alright, so these are women's, right? Size 12, but I really like this one and I would like to have them in the collection. The quality of this toe box on this one is very soft, and it's like a battery some kind of, just like some of those mocha. On this side also soft, and this part is had some kind of suede-ish type on this one, and it kind of had the color accent of the mochas. The only thing is the peach colorway that comes on the swoosh and wings. It comes with extra lace that I could swap it out, so it might gonna have a better looking, that has not too much a woman's vibrant color ish thing, but it's gonna maybe a knock-off colorway of the Travis Scott or the Jordan 1 mochas. That's why I pick up size 12 for personal, like the color. So what do you think? Are you getting it for, since it kind of replacement for the Jordan 1 mocha? So I have another 2 pairs here. Got them for Finish Line. Air Jordan 1 Low SE. Woo! Nice. I was like, kind of, when I saw them on Finish Line, I want to pick up the smaller sizes, but this is the only size they have. The smallest one is size 10. So maybe a reseller already went in there and picked up the smaller sizes, and I'm still liking it. I mean, like, it is kind of pastel color. What do you think? And maybe I'm wrong. Leave a comment down below. It really strike me out. How much do you got that one? $100. Moving on. Ooh, we got some grade school here. Bam. Air Jordan 1 Mid Purple Pulse. I saw this one before a group of kids reseller went in, so I already got the chance to pick it up. So I told to I wanted to get 2 pair, but same thing happened. The Finish Line, sometimes they would let you buy multiple, but sometimes won't. But sometimes they will let you buy 1 pair of different sizes. The bad thing is, when I was in there, they will let me buy multiple pair with the different sizes, but this is the only size they have, 6 in the store. So it is what it is. I still got a small slice of the pie. Alright, so what do we got on Pivot Sport? I think we all had the same pair on this one. 3 pairs of the same colorway. On this store, on this Pivot store, I rarely go there, like maybe twice a month and sometimes once a month, because that one is kind of a little bit far away, 15 minutes ride or 20 minutes ride, and especially that area is kind of, something area. But I always go there weekdays, because when I go there in the weekend, there's a lot of people. And the good thing when I go on that place is a lot of more hype sneaker or more high-end sneaker are not being like sold that really quick. Something also in the clothings. So that is the kind of more advantage when I go on that specific area. Okay, colorway of this one, Air Jordan 1 Mid-Grade School, white multicolor and black. Bam. think I got already one of these on the kids Foot Locker. But I only got one pair of those. But I got lucky that I found got 3 pairs on Hibbett Sport. Good sizes also, 6.5 and 7 wide. Yeah, look at those color. White and black with a little bit hint of gold. Nice color. Yep, that's what we got on today's Speak Up, our Sneak and Invest episode on malls. What do you think on this Speak Up for today's on Hibbett Sports and Finish Line? And if you like it, can you please leave a comment down below? Give a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't and click the notification bell. And with that said, thank you again for watching. Here, see you in the next one. Mag-ingat po kayo. Bye-bye.